Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be jumping out of my comfort zone. This look is definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's really pretty and I really liked it. We also used some new products today, so if you want to see what I used to get this look and how I got this look, just keep on watching. So for eyeshadow today, we're using the Makeup Shack aesthetic palette. It's so beautiful and this is so me. I love these shades. Using this, this is like a terracotta brown color. It's like one of my favorite colors. Pop in my crease. We're gonna pop that in our crease and blend it out. I'm using a Luxie brush. All the brushes will be listed on the screen and down below. So these blend out really nicely, and they're really pigmented and they're really easy to work with. And I believe this palette's only $16, so definitely check it out. I'll link everything down below, like I said. And then we're gonna jump into the lightest shimmer shade, which these shimmers are out of control. Like I do not know what these are. They might be foiled mixed with shimmer, I'm not sure, but we're gonna pop that color on the brow bone. And then we're gonna pop into this really brick tone brown, this red brick tone brown, and then we're going to place that all over the lid and blend it into our crease with this little precise blending brush. And then we're gonna jump to the black, which is this black is so perfect. It's not too pigmented, but it's pigmented, but it blends out. There's barely any fallout with this black, so I really enjoy the black because I get really scared of black shadow. So we're gonna like put that on a lash line, and then we blend it out with the brush that we use for that really brick toned color. And then we just keep applying the brown, and then we just keep applying the black and like go back and forth until it's blended to your liking. And now we're using the liquid shadows. The pink one is Rosa and the gold one is Desert Sands, and these are the most glittery liquid eyeshadows I've ever seen. And we're taking this Sigma eyeliner brush and we're gonna make a wing with it. I'm gonna do an ombre wing. I'm going to put the pink on the outside and the gold on the inside. And we're gonna go in with the House of Lashes iconic lashes off camera and pop those on. And then for primer today, we are using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is the mini. So I really like this primer. I can see myself repurchasing it whenever I get done with this little mini, and I will purchase the full size one because it's pretty good. This is the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, the original. This is shade 300, and honestly, this is perfect shade for me, but it oxidizes a little bit too dark, so I would probably get like 1 or 2 shades lighter if I purchase this again. I do like this foundation. It really does well on my skin. It stays all day. It doesn't really break apart. I really like it. And this is the Makeup Shack Contour Sponge, which it's so bouncy and so soft. I've been using it nonstop. And I wanted to go in with this Milk Makeup Bronzing Stick. I just wanted a subtle bronze, not a contour, nothing heavy. I just wanted something subtle. So I'm just taking that and pouncing in my skin just for some warmth. And it's a little tiny bit of dimension. And for concealer, I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer, which I was out of focus, so I didn't even bother putting the rest of the clip in, but this is one of my favorites. And I am taking the Laura Mercier Loose Powder. This is the regular one, the matte one, and I'm going to be setting my face with that. I just pounce the powder into my skin. No additional product on these brushes that we used for our eyes in the crease and the eyelids. I'm just going to be taking what's left over and putting on the lower lash line. For highlight, we're using one of my favorites. This is Sunday Brunch from Kylie Cosmetics. It's so blinding and it's very wet looking. I really love highlighters that are wet looking. I don't really tend to like too much glitter in too many of my highlighters, but this one is like the perfect gold wet highlight. And then from Kylie, we're using Baddie on the Block blush. This is like one of the most beautiful blushes I have. I think this is my favorite blush in my collection. It is so pretty on tan skin, and I really love how intense or subtle you can make it. And it's the perfect flush of pink and peach together. And for lips, we're using Iced Latte Lip Liner from Kylie. And then we're using Coming to Town Matte Lipstick. And on top of that, we're using in the new metallic lipstick to give us some shine. So I really love her lip liners. They are so comfortable. They don't dry out your lips when you apply them and everything. They're just so creamy and comfortable. And then this matte lipstick, this is like the perfect nude. Like, look at this, perfect. And then the metallic lipsticks, I usually don't like metallic lipsticks, but I really do like her formula because it is very flexible, doesn't look dry. It literally looks like a cream lipstick but with a little bit more dimension. Here's the finished look. Thank you guys for coming to watch. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video.